Hello, my name is Noel A. Booker Sr. with Business Credit Builder. If you're a business owner looking to grow your business, these are exciting times right now. There are hundreds of lenders with billions of dollars, and their job is to find qualified businesses to lend to. The good part is we at Business Credit Builder help you qualify for lending situations we already have on deck. And I'm talking about legitimate lenders with a number of lending programs that you can qualify for, even if you think there is no way you can qualify. That's why we're putting together this exclusive event. Exclusive meaning there's not that many seats available, okay? Summer 21 NYC. It's a 4-day funding crash course. Let me say it again. Summer 21 NYC. It's a 4-day funding crash course, okay? To help you find the best funding options for your business. We have invited some of the top funding experts to discuss funding options that are available right now. And at the end of these 4 days, you will have a clear understanding of the kinds of funding that will work for your business with the best rates and terms, and where you can actually go and get approved. This is the basic itinerary, okay? Monday, we're gonna have financial literacy for all. This is presented by Mrs. Laura Sims of Operation Hope. Operation Hope is a national nonprofit organization that provides information for families and businesses nationwide. And I'm really excited about what they do to help people. So this is important having Laura, and she's like a really good friend of mine, and you're gonna get some information that you need, okay? Also on Monday, we're gonna have Tamika Stafford. She's the vice president at BB&T, now Truist Bank. She'll be discussing how BB&T, now Truist, helps small businesses. And I'm waiting to hear what she has to say, okay? Tuesday, we got Brandy Williams from Credit Suite. That's my parent company. Because I'm like a franchise, right? Just like McDonald's, they teach their franchisees how to make the hamburger, right? So that's what they do to me. And also, they have designed my high-tech business credit builder system. And our finance team gives you access to hundreds of lenders. So this is like having my corporate execs coming in and presenting at my event, so that's the thing for me, right? Mr. Williams will share funding options available now, and he's gonna talk about details, all right? More details than I get into, all right? He's gonna let you know the programs that we offer. On Wednesday, we will broadcast live from ROK Financial in the ROK studio. Director of Marketing, Tony Semino, and Andrew Fiore will discuss the unique benefits of the working capital loan, term loan, SBA loan, equipment financing, and accounts receivable financing, all right? We're gonna be live on the set, all right? Right in their studio, okay? On top of that, I'll be talking about funding for minorities, equipment financing, house flipping financing, funding for trucking. And on Thursday, I'm gonna do how to build $250,000 in business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social security number and access credit lines and business loans. So this is an exclusive event. Click the register button now. There's not going to be many seats available for each day. This is a 4-day event starting on July 26th. That's a Monday. Every day is going to start at 6 o'clock and end at 8 o'clock. Click the register button. I hope to see y'all there. Talk to you later. Peace.